म्हापसा आणि सराउंडिंग एरियाचे सुएज सगळो ह्या हितून भितर ड्रेन जाता. And now soon we will have the Ganesh festival again. So I request the Honorable Minister to take immediate action. आता Honorable Minister या दिसांनी we've seen him lot on the newspapers आणि television visiting places. I request हांव मागता तेजे कडेन की हे रिवर तेणी घेवन पोवचे along with the officials of the health department or health minister if possible.
एक वाटेन स्पिकर्सार ड्रेजिंग करूंक गेले जाल्यार कशा पद्दतीन करपा जाय होय प्रश्न आसा. म्हजी एकूच मागणी आसा एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टरा कडेन की कितें करता सायंटिफीक प्रमाणे एनवायरमेंट सांबाळून करात. पूण दीस रिवर तार इशू is a very important source for water flow, not only for म्हापशेकार्स or आल्दोणकार्स but also for गिरवडकार्स, सालिगांवकार्स आणि पर्वरकार्स. कित्याक सगळ्यांची शेती उदकाची आउटलेट वचपाची तो रिवर जाता. आणि थंय म्हाका दिसता यू अलॉंग विथ मिनिस्टर WRD will have to come with a proper concrete plan to stabilize this issue because it's a long pending issue.
That is why we have residents staying there. And that smell and all that come is not good for health. Even the health minister will come and actually inspect the whole place. So my request is to get the desilting done so that and keep the river flowing because it's a tributary of which moves even to the Mandovis and we are all affected.